In Baicha Village, Tianbian Township, Dongfang of Hainan, enveloped into coconut forests, are thatched roofed houses like upside-down boats, generating a vibe of antiquity. In 2008, the construction skills of Li people's boathouses were listed as the second batch of National Intangible Cultural Heritages in China. In 2012, Baicha Village was included in the first batch of traditional Chinese villages, with its most complete preservation of the largest number of boat-shaped houses, known as the living fossil of traditional residences of Chinese ethnic groups.
是我们这个黎族船型屋的那个国家级传承人，他现在正在编那个茅草。编这个茅草是用来铺那个船型屋的屋顶。
Fu Dayin, who was in his early 30s, now he is the inheritor of the skills of building boathouses of the Li nationality in Dongfang City.
现在是这个起这3根了啊，这3条了。这样放就固定嘛，是不是对接上了？这2根。
The boat-shaped houses of Baicha Village are shaped like a narrow canopy with no windows. Generally, doors are opened on both sides. The thick thatch of the roof extends almost all the way to the ground. The 3 tall pillars in the middle of the house symbolize men, or Ge-yi in the Li people's dialect. The 6 shorter pillars on both sides of the house symbolize women, pronounced as Ge-ding by the Li people. Such a structure sends the message that a family is composed of men and women. Boathouses usually comprise 2 houses, forming a rectangular shape. With the completion of the renovation, the once deserted old village has gradually regained its vitality, attracting artists, scholars, and tourists from all over the country.
应该把这些历史的东西选择性的保留下来，对以后这个是一个教育也好，或者是传承也好，应该这么去研究也好，应该是值得去把这一段文化和历史保存下来的。
When tourists touch the walls of the house, they seem to be brought back to the past. For the villagers of Baicha Village, they have a responsibility on their shoulders. Many villagers have spontaneously signed up for the training course on the boathouse construction skills to pass on this ancient craft.
我们今天过来培训呢，是那个铺设茅草嘛，然后铺完了，然后就绑一些藤绳啊，这些就用那个野生的山上那些藤绳来固定住那茅草，因为刮风钓鱼，下雨的时候不会落下来。铺设的过程中也要注意看那个茅草对不对口。
祖祖辈辈都会，不能在我们这里断了，我们要把这里族文化传承下去。
In the ancient Li people's village, cultural treasures that have been passed down for thousands of years are blooming with new glory.